Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a small clip of my Honda CD200 RoadMaster. Honda introduced several 200cc motorcycles with similar engines but different body variations in the 80s. The model introduced in South Africa and Pakistan was known as the CD200 RoadMaster. The engine had the same bore as the CD185 but low compression piston compared to 185. The result was less power, a higher fuel economy, and a lower top speed. The alternator system was also different from the CD185. Apart from this, the models were quite similar, using the same frames, suspension, wheels, tires, and brakes. The CD200 featured a square speedometer, large front and rear mudguards, twin chrome exhaust, a choke tucked in behind the handlebars, a chrome-plated fuel tank with the Honda logo and mock chrome air inlets and side panels. It had drum brakes in rear and front and a single 26 mm carburettor. It used to weigh around 140 kgs. This special model came in Pakistan for Pakistan Army use and in 1981, and the army auctioned all the bikes in 2008. So someone must have bought it, and someone who had passion about restoring bikes, and so that guy has actually done a good job to it, and he has restored it to, I would say, almost 90% original Roadmaster parts. So normally the parts are um, available in the market, but it's difficult to find. They normally come from Dubai or Sri Lanka, where these bikes are available as well. But it's not easy to find parts. So hence, this is not a very popular bike. The fuel consumption is quite high comparatively to the new bikes because of the EFI system. This is an old system, but again, it's a good bike. It doesn't make your back hurt even if you ride it for longer hours. Um, the ride is excellent. The look is perfect, and it's a good bike. So I'm sure you can hear the sound um, of the engine, which was quite good. See, the looks are so good. It gives you. It's a very old model, 81, but still, it's um, it's quite heartwarming and excellent to ride. It has got four gears, one in the front and three at back, but it works very good. We changed the front headlight as well. I had just had this small wash on it, and I made a video because I know people who want to take care of their bikes, they like to see how it is washed and taken care of. So this is just a jet wash, just to take off all the dust. It's not ideal for bikes to have it washed with water and jet wash because the plug end points sometimes they get filled up with water. So it's good to wash it just with a bucket full of water and just wash it. So I just wanted to have the mud guards cleaned from inside. Now you can see it's all cleaned. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.